So now I will discuss about the friction. To explain friction, I kept a book on the table, and on the other side I kept the weight. When I increase the weight, we will observe that the book will move towards this direction. As the weight is kept on the book, we can clearly see the book is moving forward. You can clearly see. Now, what are the force acting on this book when it is moving? Now, this is the surface of the book. It looks like it is the molecular structure we are showing, and this is the surface of the desk, how it look like. Generally, the friction is due to interlocking between the two surfaces, the book and the desk. So now let's see when it moves how it goes. So here you can easily see when the book is moving, there is the interlocking between the book and the desk, and because of which the temperature also rises. You can see this is a thermometer. Because of the friction between this book and the table, desk, the temperature is also rising. You can see in the thermometer, the temperature when the book moves over the desk, the temperature of the thermometer is rising. So this is how generally when a book moves over the table, we can show how the frictional force acting. Now, what are the forces acting? So when we kept the book on the table, here the weight, this is a force that is acting forward, and the frictional force is acting opposite to the weight that we have applied. Okay, this is all about friction.